feathers under them.
They're so cute.
Did you get some good flying footage?
I did, which is
Look at the
good.
feathers under them.
Oh yeah, all the feathers. So that they know. Yeah, and they just
So you remember reading a fact that the average London pigeon has I think 1.6 feet?
ah,
Because they've all got lost toes and stuff.
but yeah, they just kind of go from here
I think it's good about
to over
I think
here.
it's good that occasionally you get one fancy pigeon.
I
Like
love
Pokemon
the
shinies.
oh my god, I love
you know?
the fancy pigeons.
Like,
They're so cute. Like that one's a fancy pigeon. Oopsies.
I
That
don't
one's a
know
fancy pigeon.
that one's a really stereotypical pigeon with the two bars and the white wingtips. It's
Yeah.
like,
I like this pigeon. This one's nice.
yeah, that one's cool.
It's a very pretty
I wonder how
pigeon.
they get them like that.
And then the
I don't
brown
know why
one's
I said
also very
they,
pretty.
like there's some kind of pigeon. Oh, turn it.
This one's really nice too.
Oh, look.
Oh, he has 1 foot. Oh no.
I think one is.
And then that one's really pretty. They seem to all flock.
One of my favourite words is like. Have you seen birds described as wheeling?
Wheeling?
Yeah, like wheeling is when birds kind of fly in circles in the sky.
Oh
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah. Like
Oh, that's so cool.
wheeling around.
They're just a bunch of gray. It's just a pile of gray. Gray with dots.
I love it when you can see all the little tails sticking.
Yeah.
They're just standing on each other.
I love how I'm just filming birds.
Hey,
Like this is my movement, filming the birds.
It's movement. It's research. It's their lunch. You cycle through their fucking lunch.
I really am.
No, but that person who cycles.
Oh yeah.
Like, that is their kitchen.
Yeah, that is their lunch, guys.
is
Like
literally
you're
their lunch.
ruining
They're
their
having
lunch.
lunch.
Like, what are these guys doing? They're all sunbathing right now.
Oh, look
My
at that one.
dudes.
Look at that one. Look at that one with the big ass neck.
The big
The one that's going kind of. It's going up and look. Look, oh my god, yeah, that one that just flew. Look, what's it doing? Oh my god, is it trying to fuck?
Probably.
Yeah, look at it. I think it's trying to fuck.
Damn.
It's
Kinky. Kinky
got
birds.
the weird little boobs as well. Look, if it turns on way, yeah, it's got the kind of cleft down the middle.
Yeah.
Damn. Oh, there's another one with a big neck. Oh, if they all have kind of big necks. That guy's just tiny. I love that they're holographic.
Holographic birds.
Oh my god.
What are you guys doing? Huh?